Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do arbitrage on Uniswap and make a huge amount of Ether with just a little bit of input. So first you can go to remix.org and you're going to come to this page. I'm going to put all the links down in the description and also the link to the flash loan code down in the description. So it's going to be easy step-by-step video on how to do it. If you follow this step by step, you shouldn't have any problem. You're going to come to this page at first. You can go over to File Explorer and go to this little thing right here. It says Create a New File. And we're going to name this flash loan.sol. Enter. I'm going to paste the flash loan code in there. The link to this is going to be down in the description. Compiler. Now I'm going to go over here. I'm going to see the compiler, the flash loan code's using is 0.5.0. So I'm going to change this to the same 0.5.0, and then I'm going to go compile. Okay, then I'm going to go down to deploy and run, and I'm going to change the environment to inject Web3. Pops down, and then over here, actually, sometimes you'll pick the wrong one, so you want to make sure you're on the contracts, you're on Uniswap Flash Loan right here. If not, then click on and pick that one. And then over here, it's going to have a little thing, deploy. First we can go over here. The token name, we're going to make up a token name. This is a dummy token that is actually going to be supplied to Uniswap. It's going to create one. And the token symbol, I usually use 3 capital letters. The token name can be anything. I'm going to call it the Joe token. And the loan amount, we're going to go 1,000. And this is important here, where this is your address. So you can go over here and make sure the starting letters and the ending, so we're locked on the right one. Go to transact. Now we're going to deploy this contract on the Ethereum network. Now, whichever address you deploy this contract with has control over this contract. So this is your contract as you deploy it. It'll always be your contract in the Ethereum network. So it's pending. I'm going to wait for that to deploy. Okay, the contract has been deployed. Now we're going to, let's click this up. And you're going to come down here, you're going to see your contract right here. So you can go right here, it says copy value. That's your contract address. Now this part, you're going to send gas money to your contract to be able to run it. So our contract right now is set up to do 1,000 Ether loan. So we're going to need about 0.1 Ether in gas. So we're going to send 0.1 Ether to our contract. That's pending. Okay, so the transaction has gone through. We've sent the gas money to the contract. So now we're going to go over to our contract down here. See a little arrow thing here? Click here and click Action. Now we're going to actually activate our contract. Run it. So I'm going to go Confirm. And watch this after the contract actually confirms. And you'll know your contract actually ran through when this is not pending anymore. It's actually completed. So wait until that runs through. Wow. It amazes me every time. I went from about 0.2 Ether to I actually gained about 6 Ether doing that. From 0.2 to 6 Ether. Flash loans work, everyone. This is amazing. I'm going to post all the code and everything down in the description. And if you follow this step by step, I pretty much laid it out pretty simple for everyone. There's no reason you can't run a flash loan. Thank you for watching, and please rate me and subscribe for more cool videos.